Why is clinical exposure so important in nursing education?
Nursing is learned not only from books but through real patient care. Clinical exposures help students to develop confident communication skill, clinical judgment, and professional responsibility in a hospital environment.
How is clinical training different at Rahman Institute of Nursing?
At Rahman Institute of Nursing, we receive hand-on clinical training at Rahman Hospitals Private Limited under the guidance of experienced nursing faculties and specialist doctors. They observe, assist, and gradually perform nursing procedure while following patient safety and ethical practices. This bridges the gap between learning and real-world healthcare.
Ma'am, how does the clinical exposure helps in my nursing career?
Yes, that's something every student thinks about. From a career perspective, strong clinical exposure prepares you for careers in multi-specialty hospitals, critical care, government services, community health, and international healthcare. At Rahman Institute of Nursing, every clinical experience brings you one step closer to becoming a skilled healthcare professional.
The best nurses are shaped through real clinical experience. At Rahman Institute of Nursing, students learn in classrooms, practice in advanced laboratories, and gain invaluable hands-on training at Rahman Hospitals Private Limited. Rahman Institute of Nursing, where learning meets life-saving.